So, let me do this special number for you. I love you too, my poor old heart. Remember this? I was 15, remember? I was in the Philippines when this movie was shown. Did you watch it in the cine? Dear heart, ikaw raw ay pagtampata at di mo makayang mag-isa. There's Casey. I have her toilet. My 24-year-old, I told him I had you at 12. That makes me 36.
Mom, thank you so much for guesting.
Thank you for coming with me, sweetie. Casey, kung mga hindi pa po may alam, she's done 2 hit movies.
Yes.
Has her own
Yes!
awarded CD already and is making her next is also doing a teleserye with Piolo.
Piolo Pascual called Lovers in Paris. We've been taping for since February.
Since February. And when is the show?
It's supposed to air July, August.
July, August. You see when my
I think it's gonna come out on TFC.
Yeah, in August.
Huh?
My
August pa! Yeah, I was with Martina for a week.
Yeah. They always put you in the end. Kept waiting for you.
No, thank you for everyone who supported the album, supported the movie, supported, just people who like watching the things that you do on TV. And whenever I have autograph signings, they always come and say, "Oh no, my cousin's from LA or my cousin's from Vegas, and my tita and my tito."
Go see you.
And then so they really get
They watch you. Yeah.
So thank you so much, and it's so nice to be here to meet all of you. Ma, dati may bulinggit ako.
You would
backstage lang ako.
No, and you'd have your own concert in the audience. With my dad and mom. Tapos like, 1, 2, 3, 4, sabi niya, come and see me. 5, 6, 7 times. And now, ayan, may career na po siya. I give her to you once again, my college graduate of a daughter. Graduated from the American University in Paris.
No, but, Mom, syempre may gano'n.
Graduate na.
Nape-pressure ako. Nape-pressure ako.
Mag-asawa ka na?
Naku!
Huwag mo na, just wala. I'm not ready, don't leave me alone.
Si Mama humihingi ng ako.
Yeah, just leave them with me, get on with
Humihingi
their
ng ako.
life.
Kasi kung bata pa ako, papaisipin ng tao, 30 na ako.
Hindi naman. Para naman tanda na 30.
Hindi, pero kailangan ko mag-aanap pa yung mga late 20s, di ba?
Yun, but you're still young. But once you start having them, please just keep sending them my way. Leave them with me. Forget about them.
And I used to check